Did you ever get this thought? Why shall I always abide by halal and stay away from haram? Why can't I do haram like just once? What's the big deal? What's going to happen? What's the worst? Well, if you know anything about haram, you will know that it will never be once. It's like a path down the drain. It will suck you dry and leave you with nothing. And that's why we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us these 3 simple rules that we can live with. If it's an obligation, just do it. If it is forbidden, don't do it. And if it is halal and permissible, do it if you want, just don't overdo it. These 3 simple rules give a 13 years old enough to live life safely as much as the wisdom of a 60 years old. So we thank Allah for giving us this safety zone, halal zone. In that halal zone, you can grow, reach your potential. You will have so much time and energy and money because it was not spent on haram. You will have it to accomplish whatever you want in life and grow in your life and in your faith. Stay on the Sirat al-Mustaqim and be from the winners. May Allah make us from them. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.